Welcome to the video on how to open a civil case in the court's Case Management and Electronic Case Filing System, also known as CMECF. After logging in to CMECF, you will see the Startup Page window. To begin, we will click Civil on the blue menu bar. The Civil Events screen appears. Under the category of Open a Case, click Civil Case Attorney Electronic Filing. You will be prompted for the office number and case type. If you are removing a case from another court to this court, you will need to provide the name of the court and corresponding case number of the original case. Click Next. Here we will select the correct office where our case will be filed. Click the arrow to display a drop-down list of the court's 3 divisional offices. The name of the office that you select here must correspond to the divisional office that you have indicated in Question D on page 2 of your civil cover sheet. Click Western Division, Los Angeles. The default selection in the case type box is CV, which stands for Civil. Do not change the case type. Click Next. The information that you provide on this page must be identical to the information that you indicated on the civil cover sheet. Click the arrow to see the list of jurisdictions. We will click 3 Federal Question as the jurisdiction. Click the arrow in the Cause of Action box to see a drop-down list of the available causes of action. The statutes are listed in numerical order. However, it may be faster to select the statute by using the filter box. We will type 15:1051 in the filter box. Notice that the corresponding statute appears in the Cause of Action box. If you have multiple causes of action, you should enter the first cause of action only, as the system cannot accept more than one cause of action. For the Nature of Suit box, we will type 840. Confirm that the information in the fields for Origin, Citizenship Plaintiff, and Citizenship Defendant corresponds to the information provided on the civil cover sheet. For jury demand, class action, and money demanded, refer to Section 5 of the civil cover sheet. The plaintiff is making a jury demand. The amount demanded cannot be less than $1,000. Do not alter the fee status field. For the county field, you should select the residence of the first plaintiff. Click the arrow to see the drop-down list of counties. Scroll down the list. Click Los Angeles, since this is where our plaintiff resides. Leave the arbitration code and date transfer fields blank. Do not alter the fee date field. Click Next. Please read these instructions carefully. You must not alter the start date or notice fields. Click Next. The left pane on this screen contains the control buttons to add a new party and create a case. Type the party's name or business in the corresponding boxes. Click Search. If your party's name is in the database, it will appear in the search results box. You may select that party as long as that party does not have an address associated with it. If there is an address associated with that party's name, you must create a new party record by clicking the Create New Party button. To confirm whether or not an address has been associated with a party, double-click the party's name. A pop-up window opens. Since there is no address, we will use this name. Click X to close the window. ABC Company remains selected in the search results box. Click Select Party. The party information screen appears in the right pane. The role field defaults to amicus. This must be changed to the appropriate role. Click the arrow. The drop-down list of party role names appears. We will click the scroll arrow to scroll down the list. Click Plaintiff. Click Add Party. We will add the defendant, John Smith. Click Search. We will double-click John Smith's name in the search results box. A pop-up window opens. Since there is no address, we will use this name. X to close the window. And then click the Select Party button. Click the arrow in the Party Role box. Scroll down the list. Click Defendant. And then click the Add Party button. If applicable, add Doe defendants by typing Does in the last name box. And then click Search. In the search results box, select Does. Do not select Does in all caps. Click Select Party. Click the arrow in the drop-down list. Scroll down the list. Click Defendant. If applicable, type 1 through 10 inclusive in the party text box. And then click the Add Party button. After you have added all the parties in the left pane, click the Create Case button. A pop-up window appears to confirm that you are ready to create the case. Click Yes. The system assigns a number to your case. On this screen, you are prompted to docket the lead event. If you fail to file your complaint immediately after you open the case, the court may close your case. This concludes the video on how to open a civil case. To see how to docket the lead event, please watch the video entitled How to E-File a Civil Complaint. Goodbye.